Hey everyone, happy Saturday, February 24th. Welcome to another vlog. From my last vlog, you guys seem to be enjoying these kinds of videos, so I decided to do a vlog. And I also did a poll on my Instagram asking you guys what you would want to see next on my channel, whether it's a product review or a vlog. You guys voted for vlogs. It is 1:40. I don't know if you guys could see. I'm always showing you guys my phone and the time and you can't even see it, but it's 1:40 in the afternoon. I just finished with threading and I did my entire face. I do upper lip, chin, eyebrows. I did waxing with Benefit. I did my brows and I really enjoyed it, but I'm just still not used to the idea of waxing just yet. I feel like it takes off a layer of my skin. I don't like that. I am getting ready for my trip to Coachella, second time going to Coachella, and let me know in the comments if you guys are going to Coachella and who you guys are excited to see. I'm kind of bummed that Halsey is not performing this year at Coachella. Like, I'm obsessed with Halsey and G-Eazy and I want them to be at Coachella. So anyway, I'm gonna be going shopping, hopefully gonna find some crazy holographic glittery makeup, because that is my mission this year, is to be glowing and shining and glittery and sparkly. I'm just trying to find some affordable highlighters and glitter makeup, and hopefully I can show you guys what I find, but I cannot go shopping without any makeup on. So I'm going to do my makeup really quick in the car before heading to the mall. Okay, makeup is done. Today's mission is going to be finding Coachella makeup. I need holographic, crazy, glittery, super shiny, glowy highlighters. I'm gonna head up the stores and show you guys what I have found. I just got home from shopping and I was so hungry. I didn't make it to Ulta, but I'm gonna try and head out again to go to buy some makeup. But anyway, I had to come home and eat because literally all I ate today was probably like a donut, or maybe it was like 2 donuts. I don't know, it was so good. I was craving donuts. It had been like, I think like 5 or 6 hours since I ate, and I made dinner and it was like a major fail. It was not good. I don't recommend that curry from Tasty Bites, and my rice was undercooked, so I ended up just eating like 2 slices of raisin bread, whatever, with cream cheese, and I'm like still hungry. So I am probably gonna try and eat something out, or maybe make something at home. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I wanna really try and get some cool makeup. I did find some other stuff at the mall, which I'll do like a collective haul later. That is an update for you guys. Sorry, I wasn't really able to get a ton of vlogging footage today because I was literally at the mall for like 3 hours and then rushed home to eat because I was starving. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. It is 8:50 p.m. I just got back from Ulta and I did find something that is super holographic and just like the perfect highlighter for Coachella. So before I show you that, I'm gonna show you the other stuff that I found at the mall. I went to Claire's and got some glittery, sparkly, glittery, it looks glittery, but it's sparkly choker necklaces. I'm like obsessed. They're gonna be perfect for Coachella. So this is like a set of 3 different ones. I love this like bottom color here. It's like a really pretty kind of turquoisey green color. This one is like super sparkly and it's like multiple shades there. And then I got these really cute ears. I'm obsessed with wearing like cat ears for Coachella, and these are just like perfect. I found some other items at Papaya. Short sleeve crop top, you tie it in the front with matching shorts. Flowy, cute, comfortable shorts. It's kind of like a halter, but it's not. It's like spaghetti strap. These cute shorts that ties in the front. Love these shorts so much. They're so comfortable. I have another pair of these in red that I wear all the time. I got another pair of black shorts. I'm obsessed with black, as you can see. These ones have like these scalloped edges on the bottom with like this spandex waist. Very comfortable. Excuse this here. This off-the-shoulder crop top that I've been seeing everywhere on Instagram with long sleeves, and it's kind of ribbed and there's like a drawstring in the front. I was a little disappointed that my Ulta did not have everything that I wanted, so I just stuck with one item, and I've been doing a lot of research, and the one product that I found is by Makeup Revolution. It is a liquid highlighter that looks like that in the shade Unicorn Elixir. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys could see. I applied a little bit on this side of my cheek here. It's like a mix between like a purple, like white, kind of holographic shade. This is what it looks like. It has these really pretty like purple, pink, blue reflex in it. I have my Urban Decay Midnight Cowgirl that just kind of looks like that. Super glowy, shiny. Or I have my ColourPop. I'm obsessed with this highlight. Do you see how it has like those purpley blue reflex and it's holographic? This would go perfect with what I just bought. This one is the Super Shock Cheek highlight in the shade Over the Moon. I wore this last year. You guys, it's so buttery. It's so smooth. I am obsessed with this. So I'm just gonna use my fingers because it just applies a lot better that way. I'm just gonna apply this everywhere. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Whoa. I'm just gonna keep experimenting, and I'm gonna, you know, keep testing out this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter to see if this is gonna last, because to me it almost feels a little like oily or greasy feeling, and I don't know if it's necessarily drying on my skin, but looks good for now. So we're gonna keep testing this out. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have found like a really good strobing liquid highlighter. I know that I think it's Maybelline came out with one. I was almost gonna buy that one, but I bought this one instead, so maybe I might try that one. But yeah, I'm so curious to know what you guys have found at the drugstore that you love. And then I also really wanted to get, NYX just came out with like these liquid toppers. They're the Unicorn Blood liquid toppers that are super sparkly and just so holographic. I loved them, but they didn't have the shade that I wanted. Love these flowers. This little cute one here, also from Trader Joe's with a little heart on it. These ones, oh no, my roses are dying. No. How gorgeous is this arrangement? Thank you, Mom. scrambled eggs, hash browns from Trader Joe's, tapatio, cream cheese, and tortilla. I woke up this morning starving because last night my dinner was literally 2 slices of that raisin bread, and that's all I ate for dinner. So I was like starving when I woke up. So I really wanted to have a big breakfast, and especially because I'm gonna be working out. I was super inspired to make chicken pot pie because of a video that I watched on BuzzFeed's Tasty YouTube channel. They showed like 4 easy pot pie recipes, and I was so inspired. They made it look so easy. So I show you some footage of me making chicken pot pie. I'll link 2 recipes that I kind of loosely followed. I followed Joy of Baking and Laura Vitale. Laura in the Kitchen is her YouTube channel, which I'm sure you guys are familiar with her channel. Bought these tin foil rounds that you could bake with, and just filled each one, and it turned out to be perfect. 6 individual pot pies, and you can freeze a whole bunch of them. So I was really happy with how they turned out. I have not tasted them yet, but I tasted the filling, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. And that is gonna conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoy these types of vlogs, and if you wanna see more of these kinds of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.